Assalamualaikum students, be ready. Para. Their answers, in fact, differ from the statement that man has lived possibly for a million years to the statement that he has lived for 300,000 years. Full stop. It is always difficult not to feel some doubt when faced with such figures, but it seems that we must at any rate believe that man certainly a very different man from present man, but at all events the beginning of man as he now is has lived on earth for 300,000 years. Full stop. Taking this figure, man is quite a recent development, something strange on the face of the good old earth. Full stop. But we cannot stop our questioning at this interesting point. Full stop. We go further and ask, for how long is the earth likely to continue in its present state? Question mark. From the answer given to us, it is clear that we need not fear the immediate end of the world. Full stop. There is every reason to believe that life will be possible on earth, in very much the same forms as at present, for millions of years to come. Full stop. Man is but a baby, just starting out in life. Full stop. It is said that if we take the possible life of the earth as just 1 million years, a low figure, then man has at least a million times as long to live as he has already lived. Full stop. He is like a baby who came into the world a little over half an hour ago and who has before him a life of 75 years. Full stop. It is a wonderful thing to think that man has perhaps several million years in front of him in which to develop. Full stop. He has already shown that he can do wonderful things, and we cannot picture the wonderful future which may be before him. Full stop. Life day by day is wonderful, the developments of the future may be yet more wonderful. They almost certainly will be more wonderful, and we feel that our own lives are too short, and we wish that it were possible for us to see more than just a very little of that development before we too become part of the past, a past, however, which perhaps lives on. Full stop.